I have literally never said scam in this stream until today.
Dude, how is it a scam though, 55? Like, doesn't it make sense in the context of the ranking of a race for the greater than to mean?
She said, no, I gonna say April Fool's Day.
In the context of like the ranking of the race.
Why true?
Like, was I literally the only one thinking that way, or is everybody? Was literally everybody under the assumption that greater than fourth meant like fifth, sixth, seventh place?
You used which in context of numbers eighth is greater than fourth.
Yeah, but even if I type that out, it's the same shit. Dude, how do I get seventh place every time?
The fucking eye drove right into me at the start of the race and ran
what you're saying, Crypto?
MFAO.
You're saying, Crypto, if I typed out greater than and less than instead of the symbols, that it would have made sense for you?
It's not the same, lol.
But they both mean greater than. Yes. Or if I just typed greater than. Lucky, there's fire.
69 is my favorite.
Okay, how do I fucking change my...
Better than or worse than is less confusing. Wild.
Greater than leads me to believe
Better than?
Greater than 4 means a number higher than 4.
How'd know?
Dude, I'm picking Garfield. How do I pick a car though,
Ahead
dude?
of fourth and behind fourth.
I mean, if it has to be worded that way to make sense, then I guess that's it. But there's no way for me to
I'm
like...
always voting for worse than fourth, though.
There's no way for me to like pause the game unless I just leave it. It's just on a time delay. Like, it starts on its own. All right, with fire and kebabs in here now, there's literally no way that I can fucking...
You're 5 head.
Be in 7th again, dude.
Did I do it?
The prediction is too late. Unless that shit is like a 5-second... Did you put it on 30? Nobody's gonna get in there.
How long is your hair when you let it down?
Fuck, dude. You gotta pay the Bitcoin.
It's 5 seconds.
And find out Gamerpool. What's up, by the way, Gamerpool?
Faster chat.
Oh, 5 seconds. Oh, what the hell, dude?
Lol, I got 32 points in there, WTH. Big games.
Dude, how am I still in 7th? Yo, CM.
Today.
I don't have Bitcoin, damn it.
Dude, I've been starting at like 6 p.m. for like 2 weeks now.
I just won 16 points.
Wait, am I ahead of fire now? Dude, you just